Crafty Kids! In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a really easy paper fish. So this is a very easy way of making a paper fish and it is useful too. This is a really easy and cool craft to do and it only requires a small piece of paper. I've already posted a video on my channel about how to make a paper fish and I thought of making it a more realistic way, so I did this one. So you can use this fish for playing, or you can even use it as a craft, and you can stick it in a blue piece of paper and you can create like an ocean drawing, and you can give it to your smaller siblings or smaller friends. So without any further delay, let's get started and we'll be seeing how to make this really easy and cool fish. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you will receive a notification whenever I upload a video. So now let's get started and we'll be seeing how to make this really easy paper fish. So I used yellow color for this fish. If you guys want, you can use any other color. And if you want to make it more realistic, you can use like a light orangish and yellowish shade and you can do it. But for this one, I'm just going to be making a fictional one. So I'm taking the color green. And if you guys want, you can take any different colors and you can use color contrasts. For example, you can do this part in yellow and you can do this part in red and you can do different colors. But I thought of doing the fish in the same color. So it's not even compulsory you have to do all these designs. I just made it to make it more cuter. So if you guys want to skip those steps. The first step is that I'm taking a square piece of paper like this and I'm folding it in half over here. So I'm only making a smaller fish, so it will be like about 3 cm to 2 cm. If you guys want, you can use a bigger size of paper to do it. So now I'm opening it and I'm only folding it in the opposite direction like this. So this paper is 4 cm and 4 cm. You can even use a bigger size as well. So now we're going to be folding it diagonally on both the sides over here like this. So the next step we're going to be doing is that we're going to be folding this piece over here like this, and we're going to be folding this piece over here like this. So we'll be having like a diamond look over here. So now we're just going to be opening this piece over here and we're going to be folding this diamond back into this, so that we'll be having like a square and a diamond on both the sides. So it'll be having a shape like this one. So after we have this, I'm just going to be pressing it and we're going to be taking this piece and we're going to be folding it in half like this on both the sides over here. So the next step we're going to be doing is that we're going to be turning this and we're going to be folding it in half in the opposite direction. So do this slowly, and if you guys want to use a bigger piece of paper if you feel like these steps are very complicated to do in a small piece. So after we complete this, we're just going to be removing one, opening this side like this, and we'll be having one piece like this. So we're going to be pushing that out over here and we're going to be taking it. So now after we take it, we're supposed to press it. So we just have to push it back inwards, then we're supposed to do it again. So I'll teach you guys how to do it one more time. So we just have to, so I'll teach you from the beginning. So now we'll be having, I'll open it and I'll show you it again. So we already did this step. So we just took these two pieces of paper and we folded it like this to get a diamond shape over here. So watch the steps carefully. I'm doing that for a second time to make you guys easy for understanding it, since it's kind of complicated. So once we complete this, we're supposed to be folding both the sides of the paper like this, and I'm going to be folding it in the opposite direction as well. So now we're going to be opening this piece and we'll be having one small piece of paper over here. So now we're just going to be pushing it out like this and we're going to be pressing on it over here. So we're supposed to be taking it slowly like this and we're going to be pressing on it like this. And now we're going to be opening this piece and we'll be having one more piece of paper over here, and we're also going to be taking that and we're going to be pressing on it. So this is a really important step to take the handle part out. So do not do it in a hurry or it won't turn out well. So we're just going to be opening it up and we're going to be taking it outside like this and we're going to be pressing on it like this. So now our hands of the fish, the fins are ready. So now I'm just going to be leaving it as it is, and now I'm turning it to the opposite direction to see the back view, and I'm turning it back inwards like this. So now we're going to be taking a remaining piece of paper. I'm taking a small rectangular paper. It's not necessarily has to be perfect. I'm just taking this paper and I'm going to be folding it in half like this over here. So once we complete this step, I'm just going to be cutting like a triangular shape from this. So this is supposed to be the inner part and we're going to be cutting one triangle over here. So we're just going to be cutting this piece like this and this one over here like this. So now when we open it, we'll be having a small diamond structure like this one. And now we're just going to be cutting it on the edges over here. And now we can stick it at the back part of our fish over here. So now I'm just going to be taking some glue and I'm going to be sticking it. So now I'm just going to be applying some glue at the back part of this paper that we cut out, and we're going to be sticking it at the back part of a fish gently like this. So I'm just going to be applying a little bit of force. Now our fish is ready. So the next important part is decoration. So this helps the fish to be nice and cute. So now I'm just going to be taking a black permanent marker, or you can use a CD marker or a sketch pen or a black oil pastel or color pencil stands according to your wish. And I'm just going to be decorating it. Since it's a dark green color, I'm taking this color. If you guys use a lighter color, you can use even different colors of what you like. The first step is that we're just going to be drawing a small line to separate this fish from the remaining parts. So once we complete this, I'm just going to be drawing a small eye like this over here, and we're going to be putting a small smiley over here like this. So sometimes the glue might come off, so don't forget to stick it properly. So now our eye is complete. So next, let's move on to the body. So before that, I'm just going to be adding a small dots for the tail. I'm just going to be drawing small circles, and I'm going to be decorating it. So for this one, the first one I made, I just did fully small circles like this. For this one, I thought of drawing the circles, and I'm going to be doing a small oval like this, and I'm going to be putting small dots over here inside this one like this. So once we complete this, I'm just going to be drawing 2 lines for the fins, and for the body, I'm just going to be doing a cute design. So I'm just going to be drawing 1 line over here, and I'm drawing 1 more line closest to it, and I'm drawing another 2 pairs of lines over here. So next step we're going to be doing is I'm just going to be drawing lines like parallel to these ones over here, and we just completed it. And now we're just going to be drawing opposite lines in the opposite direction of the lines that we already made. So I'm just going to draw like 2-3 lines in each one like this. So once we complete this, I'm just going to be putting small dots in the bigger lines that we made over here, and I'm just going to be putting big lines in the places that we had in the center. So now our design for the fish is ready. So I just made it in a really simple way, and you can do it more, and you can stick it in a piece of paper. You can even create like a ocean scenery and do anything to it. So as you see, this one's kind of smaller than this one. You guys can do it even in a bigger size to get a proper output. And you can do more decorations. So as you see, it's I kind of blended in and it's not clearly visible. You guys can even do it in lighter shade, because if we do it in lighter shade, then the designs and everything will be clearly visible. So after we complete this, our really easy paper fish is ready. So you guys can put more decorations to it, and if you want, you can write your name at the back in case anything gets lost, and you can stick it back. So I'm just going to be writing my name slowly at the back like this. So if you want, you can use like another piece of paper at the back, since as you see the lines and everything are visible at the back. You can cut out the same framework of the fish that you made and stick it at the back, and you can write anything you want. Or if you want to make it more secure, you can use tape, and you can do it all around the fish, and you can tape it. Then you can cut the remaining parts of the tape, and it will also be waterproof fish in case you accidentally spill water and everything over it. It won't be visible, and you can even draw other designs to it, and you can erase it since you have tape on it, and it won't be permanently stuck there. So after we complete this, our really easy paper fishes are ready. So you can use this in a really creative way, and you can decorate your house, or you can make like a chain of fishes, and you can use it for decorating your house for any other festival or function, or you can use it for playing with your smaller children. And you can even stick in a piece of paper, and you can use it for a drawing or any other creative crafts as well. This is also really easy and cool craft to do, and you can even do it in a really realistic way, and you can use it for playing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. So before I conclude, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll receive a notification whenever I upload a video. So if you have any doubts in this video, don't forget to comment in the comment box below. I'll see to your comments and respond to them as soon as possible. Also, if you have any ideas about what I should post on my channel, you can also comment that in the comment box below as well. I'll see them and also try to make the craft that you really want after I'm good at making it. Now, so if you guys like this craft video, also comment that, and if you want more fishes tutorials, you can even do that as well. So if you haven't checked out my other fish tutorial, I've already posted in my channel. So it's origami fish, and it will be like it won't be this realistic, but it will be a really simple way for making for small preschoolers and everyone. So you can even watch that tutorial, and you can even use both the tutorials and make your own creativity, and you can design your fish as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. So don't forget to check out all the other videos on my channel, and keep supporting me and my channel, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Thank you for watching. Bye.